This trucker family snaps and goes berserk. They were tired of shops and towing companies taking advantage of them. So they built a shop and bought a tow truck to reduce their maintenance costs. You know, they had to have a comfortable driver's lounge with recliners and a big TV and a big clean kitchen. They hired some of the best mechanics in the area.
So how long have you been a diesel mechanic?
23 years.
Like it. It's a good place to work. I come to work with my friends for one thing every day. These guys for quite some time, some of them, and yeah, it's a good group of guys. Everybody's always got your back and everything like that. If you ever got questions or need help, we're pretty much right there. We want to jump in and do whatever it takes to get the job done, pretty much.
Now their shop's open to truckers just like you. They can do any job, big or small, for all semi-trucks and trailers. They also offer 24/7 emergency roadside assistance and towing. Other truckers are going nuts over their whole operation. They average 4.9 stars out of over 400 reviews on Google. Go to maintruckrepair.com to learn more.